Look, I just got the letter on Friday, and I didn't know how to tell you.
I'm really happy for you. Okay? Okay.
Welcome to Camotes Island. G makabakang di sayang baki.
Let's go have some fun.
Guys, humano ta diri sa Boho Rock at next stop, Limubo Cave. Yung sa may itaas. Sabi mamaya na lakwatsa eh.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks. Each one.
So guys, that's it for today. Ah! Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning.